everybody, we're doing some cool unboxings.
Okay. Hello.
Hello.
How are we doing today, Kaden?
I'm doing good.
What do we have?
We have a bunch of unboxings.
We do. So let's get to it. So first we
got High Mountain Sage with a cool picture
of a man with a bear hat.
And now
it's literally a bear hat.
It's me.
He looks pretty tough.
He does. Not tough enough for scissors.
Not tough enough for scissors. What?
Poor bear.
Poor bear.
Poor bear. He's on top of a man's head. He's dead. He dead, bear. Oh no.
There's a lot of stuff.
There is a lot of stuff. Are you ready, Dad?
Yep.
We got butter. We got
Oil.
or oil. We got what's that? Stash wax.
Stash wax.
I'm talking too quiet. Oh no. We got butter or balm. Which one?
That's a good question. It says.
No, we got some beard wash.
It says balm right there. It's the balm.
Okay. Ooh. And feel this. This feels amazingly soft. This is all mountain sage, which I can't wait to do this. I can't wait to do this.
You can't wait to look at this?
I can't wait to look at this stuff. It smells amazing. I feel like it's kind of tea-y.
It smells like essential oils to me.
Essential oils?
What do you think it smells like? What is your thought? You smelt a lot of oils. What do you think it smells like?
I feel like it's kind of like, so you know how we have like tea in the fridge and that?
Yeah.
Kind of like that. Like a relative.
Relative?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think it is, well, I know what it is. It is, so we got the list. It is cottonwood, cedarwood, sage, and orange. And everything is, okay, you can read this.
Okay. Yay! Hi, Andy. I hope this package finds you healthy and not too hot for the African or Arizona heat. Enclosed is the original legendary kit, including a beard oil, balm, mustache wax, and our new beard soap. Scent profile. For original is cedarwood, sage, and orange. Everything is handcrafted, including the beer used to create the beard soap. So I can't read it.
Is it like...
I really can't read it. I'm sad.
Everything is handcrafted. About your feedback would be greatly appreciated. Thanks, Brian. So Brian is the owner.
So now we got the beard oil.
Let's try that out. Let's smell that.
It smells really good. It's a lighter smell, I feel.
Oh.
But the after smell of it is amazing.
Yes, it smells really good.
Now,
do you know what this smells like? It smells like if I go into Sprouts or into the Whole Foods and I go into that section with all the essential oils and soaps and everything. That's exactly what this smells like. It has that like scent of a bunch of really good essential oils, natural. Oh, it smells really good. What does that smell like?
I don't know, but wait, I want to see if we have this. I don't know if this is the right thing, but
it is mustache wax.
We don't have it. Oh, yeah. All right.
He's trying to make it sure if it clicks.
So
that's which is probably a little bit harder. What do you think?
Oh,
You like it?
Feel it.
It's
So
it's very waxy,
smooth.
but very waxy.
Ready?
Because that's what you do, because it's
3,
mustache
2,
wax.
1. It smells good.
It does smell
A very, very light smell.
Yeah, it's mustache wax. So it has more of a waxy thing. It's more to style the stash.
I don't have a mustache, so I can't use that. I have an imaginary beard, so I can't use the balm. Which is also, whoa, look at that. Look at how it looks. It
Yes,
feels, feel it.
Looks really good,
Oh
doesn't
my
it?
goodness, feel that.
Yep, it's it's a little bit medium. It's a medium hold.
Alrighty. Now to put it in my imaginary beard. After I smell this, of course.
It's definitely woodsy.
Yes, this is the most woodsy one, I think.
Yes.
Alright.
Cedar wood definitely hit you up forefront.
Imaginary beard time. Imaginary beard.
Imaginary beard time.
Yep. Best part is it's on my face for a long time.
Yes.
So I get to smell it for a while. I
Cool.
am happy. But now, we shall move on.
Okay, so and just to let everybody know that he is running a sale, so if you type in at checkout practice 15, all caps, and I'll put that in the below comments.
The link below.
But you will get 15% off your order. So that's really cool. I appreciate that, Brian.
You can call
And I believe he
comments
has
below, the link or
yeah, I'll put all the
description
comments.
under.
Yeah, I'll have all the comments of how you get there.
So now we are at Kingsman Premium product. Ooh.
Kingsman.
I'm scared I'm gonna cut myself by slipping. This is scary. I hate. This is scary. This is scary. This is scary. This is scary. Don't. I'm safe. Hey, it's scary.
Do you need some assistance, sir?
Oh no.
Ooh.
Whoa! Look at that sticker.
It's a Kingsman. Ooh, it's kind of
It's glowy. I like that.
flashy.
Ooh, but what is this? Ooh, so we got a butter, beard balm, and
It's a beard butter.
it's a beard balm. I'm sad. Beard balm wizard. And it's oil. So we got a lot. And we got his card, or is it butter?
It's butter. It's butter.
I thought it said balm.
It's okay. You can no. You can't read. That's okay.
But I was reading right here.
What'd you read?
Beard balm wizard.
Oh, it does say that. Beard Balm Wizard.
I was
Okay,
I'm
well.
like, it's just balm. And you're like, no, it is butter. I'm like, but it is balm.
That's okay.
But it is butter.
That is what it says. But I'm pretty sure that it's butter.
We're gonna see the texture in a minute. So let's see. Smooth. It's the medium. Oh my goodness.
What?
I already smell it, and it smells absolutely amazing. And you're gonna love this because you like kind of like fruity smells.
Do I like fruity smells? Oh, that is really nice, huh?
Oh my goodness.
It's the wizard. It's the wizard.
It's a wizard, Harry.
It's a wizard, Harry.
You're a wizard.
Very good. Very good. Ooh, there's a little...
That smells absolutely amazing. How do you even do this? How?
I don't know, but it's cool.
But now we're on to the oil.
It's nice, though.
Beard Oil Wizard. Wait, Dad, that must be balm. Because
Why?
on this now it's saying Beard Oil Wizard, which this is an oil, but on that it says Beard Balm Wizard.
Okay. Okay.
I wonder. Oh my goodness. That wasn't smart. This wasn't the smartest thing to do. I was gonna open the thing up, but there's wrapping around it, so it would have been a pain to get the wrapping off. Alrighty. What is this? What are they called? Beard Oil Wizard?
From
Kingsman.
Beard.
Alrighty. I think it's called Beard Oil Wizard. Smells good.
You like it?
I like it.
Cool. It is nice. It's fruity.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice fruity. And not tropical fruity, like...
Just like a really nice fruity smell, but like it doesn't like
fruity.
it doesn't overdo the fruit, which is cool.
Yeah, that's a nice fruit. That's a nice fruity smell. I'm trying to figure out what the...
I wonder
really
what's
nice.
in it. Like, how did they make that?
They make it with special... They make it with
They make it
special
with love.
Kingsman.
Oh. I was gonna say they make it with love, like...
With love.
Yes.
Just gonna add that all together and... Mush it up. Mush it up.
Alrighty, we are on to Defined Beard Coat. I don't think I've ever seen this one before. Is this a new one?
You have not, and it is a winning. I won this.
Is it new? Or like a new company?
It's a new company, but I won it from a guy.
I'm trying. 1 second. Oh no, I have to be careful with this.
I won it, and it was very cool.
Dad, I'm scared to cut this. I'm afraid I'm gonna cut myself. Can you do this for me?
Yes.
Or unless. There's sides.
There is sides. There is sides to this.
Maybe not pointed at someone, but I'm doing this. I can do this. I believe!
And I got this from the Bearded Gentleman.
The Bearded Gentleman.
That is who we won this from. The Bearded Gentleman.
I know who that guy is.
Is he a bearded gentleman?
That guy was from the live stream yesterday.
From a live stream?
Yep. The beard meal live stream.
You think so?
Mhm. I know because it said bearded gentleman.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh no, I'm trying so hard.
But you're not getting very
I'm not.
far.
Yeah. Yeah, I can't do it.
It is very secure.
But pop.
It is very secure in its fixtures.
Ew, Dad, why'd you fart?
Aiden Peters.
It's a popping noise. It's a popping noise. No one has farted in this room. But you can believe it with the popping noise.
Here it is.
Oh,
Aiden.
why? That was just flew out my...
Oh!
I'm ready, Dad. We got a note.
What does it say?
It says, thank you. Lemon Delight Beard Butter.
I know, it's the delight.
Oh, I already know what this is going to smell like, too. I think we opened it wrong. Or is it deep in? Dad. I found the treasure. Dad, I found the treasure. It's actually a really good size.
It is.
I've never seen a glass beard balm.
We've had it before.
No, like a solid glass one? With, like this?
Yeah, I got one that was very similar to this from Beard Gents. Except for this has a metal top.
This
Ooh.
is so fancy. I know why they had to put a bunch of
This is
these in
very
it
nice
now,
looking.
so
Very nice.
so it didn't break.
And what is the smell there? It should say on the front.
It said lemon delight. Oh,
Lemon
I love
delight.
the smell of lemon there. I already can tell what this is gonna smell like, and it's gonna smell absolutely amazing.
Uh-oh.
I've never seen these on this.
That's a really cool thing, huh?
Look at that smoothness.
Smooth like butter.
I'm gonna tap. Wow. It is so very smooth. But Dad, I have rippled it. So now it is not too smooth now. Mwahaha. It's a lighter smell, but oh my goodness. Literally lemon. Lemon, 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 lemon.
You love lemon? It's lemon, but it definitely has that, yep. It definitely has the lemon, but does it...
It does have
has
delight.
some delight in it.
It does have delight. Smelling it was a delight.
Yeah, it definitely has like, I'm trying to taste, it smells like lemon cake.
I think I've smelled a candle like this.
Yeah, it has that like, it has almost like a, like.
But here's the true test. How smooth is it doing this?
Okay, go do it.
I will put it on my imaginary beard.
Because he just wants to wear lemon smell.
It's so soft. Dad, try it.
Yep. Oh, that is really soft. Very soft. It does smell like.
It smells.
It smells like. It definitely does. It smells like lemon dessert, like lemon cake.
I give that a 10 out of 10.
Yeah,
100 out of 10. Oh my goodness, I love the smell of lemon.
He gives it 100 out of 100.
100 out of 100, because that smell is absolutely amazing. All of these smell absolutely amazing.
I know. You know, that's the hard thing about this. The reviews are, but they're always unique.
You can never pick a favorite because there's too many good ones.
There is. There's a lot of really good ones, and I think that I think they're all unique though. They're not all. They're definitely not like I've never smelled a lemon. Like that just smells like lemon cake. Like you just went to the.
Like you just went to a store. It's exactly what it says it is. Like the picture is showing you what you're gonna smell pretty much.
And then these smell fruity, but not over fruity.
Yes.
I think that's a good mix. And then these are definitely
then
essential oils.
Top that you can knock on.
I like that. I like that because it's metal top.
It looks kind of like. So, you know how Lemon Delight is kind of like an what? How do you say it? Lemon Delight is kind of a can you help me find a word?
It smells like lemon.
Yeah. No. So
I don't know what you're looking for.
No. So Lemon Delight is good, and I know it's good because I've smelt it, and I've had a popsicle flavored after it.
Yeah.
Or it was a popsicle. So you know those little what are they called? It wasn't a popsicle. It was. I don't know. They both. It was. I don't know how to say it. Pretty much, it was one of those dum things. It was in the candy jars, and they're those huge lemon things. These taste similar to this.
Like a lemon drop.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And this smells just.
I think it smells like lemon cake.
Smells like heaven.
It does smell really good.
Oh wait, I can't say that.
Smells like heaven. Why not?
I don't know. Alright. But Dad.
Smells heavenly?
Yes, heavenly. I can't say it smells like heaven.
Well, that's all our unboxings for today, folks. And thank you again for coming back and hanging out with us.
What's up?
Just seeing what you're doing.
Goodbye, everybody. Hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Yep.
If you get this all in here, I know I can. And if I mix it up, it will look amazing.